Welcome to 1577 Rawlings Drive, an immaculate 3-bedroom home with 3 washrooms situated within the highly sought-after Liverpool community of Pickering. The interlocking walkway wraps around to the backyard gate, where it transitions to a river rock and flagstone walkway that is continued to the back lawn. And through the covered front entrance is a spacious and welcoming foyer that opens to the main level's sunken principal rooms. Finished with beautiful hardwood flooring, the open-concept living and dining rooms exude grace and elegance, with their spaciousness accentuated by a neutral color palette, the light spilling through a west-facing accent window, the ambient light cast by a scrolled metal chandelier, and the abundance of natural light that floods through a huge north-facing bay window. Allowing for views of the lovely backyard greenery, the bay window's size gives the sense that the back deck is an extension of the exceptional indoor entertaining spaces, which also enjoy an ease of flow with a stunning custom kitchen, which was renovated in 2017. With a bright and airy atmosphere, this outstanding workspace showcases spot lighting, upgraded floor tiles, and crown moldings, a stainless steel French door fridge, double wide undermount sink, oven with gas cooktop, range hood and dishwasher, stone counters and glass tiled backsplashes, white cabinetry with contemporary hardware and undermount lighting, as well as a pantry area with built-in wine racks, pendant lighting, and a breakfast table that also doubles as a work island. The kitchen's turret-shaped wall has a sliding door walkout onto the new deck, which offers plenty of conversation, dining, and entertaining space, while the fully fenced backyard additionally features a storage shed, a lush lawn, and beautifully landscaped gardens, with a pergola in the northeast corner. The reception area also features accent pot lighting, a tiled floor, and a mirrored door coat closet, with the flooring continued into a powder room showcasing wainscoting, a circular privacy window, and a vanity with a marble counter. Curving gracefully to the upper level is a gorgeous spiral oak staircase, and this level showcases hardwood flooring throughout, 3 spacious bedrooms, and 2 washrooms. With the main 4-piece washroom featuring a tiled bath area, as well as easy care vinyl flooring, and with a linen closet just steps away down the hall. The second and third bedrooms both have a bright and cheery color palette, ceiling fans, large north-facing windows, and double closets, with the second bedroom's closet having mirrored doors. The very graciously sized master bedroom has 2 windows, allowing it to enjoy the brightness of a south-facing exposure, and its spacious walk-in closet has a south-facing window as well. Also featuring a ceiling fan in the bedroom, the well-appointed ensuite washroom of this lovely personal space showcases upgraded tiled finishes, a glass shower with mosaic accent borders and a spa system, as well as a floating vanity with coordinating mirror and toiletry cabinet. The golden hue of the upper hallway's wall color, as well as pot lighting and natural light through 2 staircase windows, brightens this space while accentuating the rich wood finishes. And other wonderful features of this exceptionally well-maintained home include updated soffits, fascia, eaves troughs, and downpipes, newer exterior vinyl decorative shutters, as well as a new irrigation system for the front and back lawns, both which were also recently resodded. hardwood staircase leads to a finished lower level, its landing featuring quality laminate flooring, and off this landing is a storage room, a closet, and even more storage available in a combined furnace and laundry room complete with a front-load washer and dryer. The large recreation area offers additional family and entertaining space and features broadloom for coziness, built into the wall display shelves, as well as the warmth of a gas fireplace with a wood mantel shelf and which is surrounded by brick. Close to David Farr and Forest Brook Parks, within the catchment area of Maple Ridge Public, St. Monica Catholic Elementary, Dunbarton High, and St. Mary Catholic Secondary Schools for their French immersion programs, as well as being a short walk to top-rated William Dunbar Public School, this home is just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.